Welcome back, Naji here. We are continuing a discussion on Vertex AI. In this video, we will be discussing on how can you generate a image and we'll see how to edit an image. Okay, so these are the two things that we are going to discuss in this tutorial. So for that, we need a image generation model. So this can be imported from, we can use Vertex AI dot preview dot vision models. I can import image generation model. So let me select my environment. Okay. So I can create a model using image generation model dot from. Okay, let me execute this cell. Okay, I think my environment is not correct, I believe. Okay, let's see again. Let me install the kernel. I believe my environment is wrong. So let me select another environment and let me execute it. Okay, now we are good. Okay, so what I can do, we can use the image generation model dot from pre-trained. Here I need to mention a image model. So here we are going to use a model that is the ImageGen model. That is, we can use Imagen. I think they have released a 4.0 version, generated 001. Okay, I believe this is the model. Let me execute it. Okay, so the model is not found, so it means from pre-trained. Let me check the spelling. Image generation model from pre-trained Imagen hyphen 4.0 generate is not generated, generate 001. Let's execute. Okay, so now we have the model is ready. Now let me have a prompt. I can say flying cat. Okay, simple prompt with umbrella, I can say. Okay, so let me have this prompt. Now I can create a image. We can have a model dot, I can use generate image. This is very simple. I can pass my prompt. Okay, this is my prompt. Then I can say number of images can be set to 1. Okay, now let's execute it. So the execution is in progress. It will take 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, it's done. Okay, now we can try to print this image. Let's print it. Okay, so here we can see some list can be seen. So let me save this. I can select 0, only the one image is there. I can save. I can say generated underscore image dot png. Let's save this. Okay, so image is saved. This is the image that we have created. Let me click on it. Okay, we can see that this is a cat with an flying with an umbrella, right? It's actually not flying. Yeah, we can say it's flying, right? Okay, anyway, so we got the image. Now we'll see how can we edit this particular image. Okay, so what I am trying to see, instead of maybe cat, we can see find maybe lion or something like that. Okay, so we'll see how to do that. Okay, so let's create a edit prompt. I can say instead of cat, I need a lion there. Okay, the prompt is ready. Now I can use edited image. Okay, model dot, I can have a edit image. I can pass the prompt. My prompt will be edit prompt. Okay, edit prompt. Now we need to have a base image. The base image will be let me see, I need to read the base image, right? Okay, maybe let me try to give something like this. Okay, image.0, this is my base image, and number of images 1. Okay, so let's execute it. It also may take 11 seconds. We'll see. In between we can write another line of code. I can select dot save. Here I can say editor dot pmg. Let me save it. Okay, the image is saved. Let me check this. Okay, now it is showing like instead of cat, it's something look like lion, I believe, right? It's not lion actually. Okay, anyway, my prompt is not good. That may be the reason, or I can try with the different models. Okay, so that is all about in this video. So this is what I want to show. We have created a images. It's very simple, right? It's very simple, and we have edited the images with some prompt and the base image. Okay, so that's it. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.